In today's video, I'm going to talk you through how to replace a crankshaft sensor on a 2010 Kia Rio and the reason why I replaced that sensor. On a 2010 Kia Rio, the crankshaft sensor is right here in this area, right where the engine meets your transmission. So if you look down, straight down, this is your wire for the crankshaft sensor. And you follow that down below the manifold. There's your sensor underneath the manifold. It's a 10mm bolt. You take out that bolt on the right side of the sensor, and then that sensor just pulls out. This is your electrical plug right here for the sensor. You remove this metal piece. It's like a metal lock ring kind of thing. It just pops out, and then you can disconnect your electrical connectors. Once you take out that 10mm bolt, careful not to lose it. That sensor will just pull right out. You might need a pair of pliers to grab it and pull it out. You're going to take some clean oil, put it around the O-ring on the new sensor, and then slide it right into place. Line up the hole with the threads, put the 10mm bolt back in, just snug it up a little bit. Take the electrical connectors, put them back together, and you're done. Now, I want to explain why I replaced the crankshaft sensor in this vehicle. The vehicle, while driving it, it would stall. Over a 2-month period of time, it stalled 3 times. No codes on the computer, no check engine light. So I did some research on this vehicle and the stall issue we're having without a code or check engine light, and I came to the conclusion that it's probably the crankshaft sensor. So I ordered the OEM sensor, original equipment manufacturer sensor, put it in the vehicle. This car's been driven for 2 months now, and it hasn't stalled since. We have had no more issues. If you're driving your Kia, I don't even care what year it is, but if you're driving your Kia and it stalls on you, shut the car off, wait a couple of minutes, start it back up, and it starts up, it's running fine, nothing wrong with it. So if it's doing that once in a while, but there's no codes, no check engine light, chances are it's your crankshaft sensor. If you drive the vehicle long enough, you're eventually going to get a check engine light, and you're eventually going to have a code for that crankshaft sensor. But at that point, the vehicle may not start back up. I figured it was best to do the sensor, drive the car for a couple of months, see if it fixed the problem. And I'm here to tell you, it did fix the problem. If you're having those issues, I would say 95% chance that your crankshaft sensor is bad. You all take care. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.